Hey YouTube, it's SJ and today I'm back with another Nike SB unboxing, and today it's the Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Lance Mountain collab from back in summer 2018. Let's take a look. Hey, it's SJ and I'm back with another Nike SB unboxing, but before we get to the unboxing, I'm SJ, Mr. B is behind the camera, and if you're new to this channel, we do mainly sneaker unboxings and we stream every Sunday at 8 PM here in the UK, which is about 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. Shutting up about that now. Let's get to the unboxing. Now, as you can see, it's just a box. It's just a box. There's no to unbox it. Which means, Mr. B, I went to a shop. Let's take a look, camera number 2, at what these are. So these are a Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid. They are a US 7, UK 6, European 40. They are University Blue Light Bone. The code is 86434946. These had a suggested retail of 85 of your US dollars, plus tax. In California, that's about 10%. And these were purchased from Society in San Carlos in the holiday sales. Mr. B, you're gonna like these. You're gonna like these. Yeah, now I got these back in December, but I haven't really had them out of the box since I got them. I'd forgotten how epic they are. There's one, there's the other. Let's get this out of the way. So these dropped back in July 2018. We called them out on stream. Way back when we called them out, I'm pretty certain that I said that I absolutely love these, but I wouldn't be buying them because we had one of the hottest summers on record and I just wouldn't wear them throughout summer. And if I could pick them up in the sale, I would do. And that's exactly what I did. And it's such a nice blazer. Take a look at this, Mr. B. Now I know this says it's University Blue, but the suede, if you can get this, is a really nice suede. And it's like a faded denim colour blue. It's not really what I would have considered a University Blue from Nike, but it's just such a nice, it's almost like an acid wash sort of denim look to it. Then you've got the big swoosh here in the bone suede as well. Now, as always, with Nike SB blazers, which I always buy, I'll never buy normal blazers because the finish of them is so much nicer. For a start, back to sneaker cam, you've got the chunky sole, really nice chunky sole. Then you have, as you'd expect from an SB, all that extra padding around the ankles. This actually does have a finished tongue. A lot of the SB's blazers that I picked up recently don't have a finished tongue, but these do. And you've got this green on the inside here, which contrasts quite nicely against the blue. Now let's go into some of the detail. Now, as I said, right back at the very beginning, these are a Nike SB collaboration with Lance Mountain. Now, if I remember rightly, there were 3 pairs in this pack. There was the Blazer Mid, the Blazer Low, which was in like a bone canvas colorway from memory. And then there was the Chucker style, which there may be unboxing of coming very soon. Now, as I said, these are a Lance Mountain collaboration and they take some inspiration from his father, who is English. Now, on the back here, if you can see this, Mr. B, is a English rose, and it's actually the Rose of Lancashire, which is in the northwest of England. Now, I don't know for sure, but I'm kind of assuming Lance Mountain's dad is from Lancashire. If not, it makes no sense to use the Lancashire English rose. But who knows, who knows? It's just a really nice bit of detail and embroidery that's done on the back there. You getting that on sneaker cam, Mr. B? It contrasts really well against this nice faded blue. Now let's have a look as well at some of the other details. Now inside, there's no lace bag, but there is a spare pair of laces. And these laces are the bone colour, so exactly the same colour that is on the swoosh. And this is the bone colour that was also used on my deconstructed SBs that I absolutely loved last year and pretty much trashed. But you've got these blue laces already laced in, which I quite like. I think they would actually look nicer with the bone, I think.
I think so.
Yep, I think they would. And let's look inside because, take the paper out. I believe from memory, the detail on these included a little bit of artwork from Lance Mountain. I may be wrong. I'm not sure if you're going to see this sneaker cam. I'm going to have to unlace these because, as always, Nike SBs come laced super tightly. And I'm going to have to loosen these off to get them on my feet again. Let's have a look. Right, Mr. B, can you see that? So you've got like the Nike swoosh and it looks like it's been spray painted on, sort of. And I think that that was a bit of Lance Mountain artwork. I may have got that wrong, but I'm pretty sure that that's what that is.
That's pretty good anyway.
The tongue is sort of stitched in as well. And I'm not sure if you're seeing that on sneaker cam. No real detail on the tongue. It just has blazer mid. As I said, the back is finished with that nice green that contrasts. The suede is really nice as well. It's not really that rough actually. It looks rough because it looks worn, but it's actually really nice. Let's just take a look. Herringbone sole, as always, on an SB blazer. It's just a really nice sneaker. You know, as I said, I did want these. I just didn't want to get them in the summer because I wouldn't have worn them because it was super hot. These are actually a really good sort of spring sneaker when it's dry but still pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to wearing these over the next couple of months. Actually, if it stays like this, cold but dry, I might start wearing them now because I really like them and I want to get them on my feet. Not really a lot more to say about these. You know, it's just another nice pickup. SB, as we've said many times, for 2018 was a pretty strong year. There's just so many nice sneakers out. Just so many nice sneakers out.
SJ.
Yeah.
I really want those shoes. I'm so gutted they didn't have them in my size.
So as I said, I got these on sale. They had 50% off. They had some absolute bargains to be had in Society in San Carlos, California. So they didn't have these to fit Mr. B, but I managed to get them. Kind of made up a little bit for me not getting those Stussy. Only a little bit mind. But Mr. B did pick up another pair in this pack, which we will see soon. There really isn't any more to say other than it's a nice sneaker. It's a really nice sneaker. As always, let us know what you think in the comments. Did you cop these or did you cop one of the others in the pack? Really nice pack, super nice detail. Let us know, leave us your comment, leave us links to pictures. And if you're on the gram, let us see your pictures of you wearing them and hashtag it Pint of Stuff so that we can go and hunt it down and feature you on our sneaker streaming Sunday. That's enough for me. I'm out of here.
They should have got more love.
Yeah, they didn't get much love. I'm back. Mr. B just very rightly said that these didn't get enough love when they first came out, and I totally agree with him. After watching my video and thinking, yeah, SJ did good there picking those up. You can pick these up pretty much at every skate shop at the moment, either 30 to 50% off, and it's well worth it if you're after a blazer mid. There you go. I am actually going now. Bye.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right then. Bye.